Limits are important to understand in order to help us store data, especially when we're working with objects or arrays. In computer science, the concept of big O programming is used to determine how efficiently a program will process these objects. If you have big O programming that's of low quality, then this can make your program much less efficient to iterate through and will result in lots of issues with processing the data. And overall, it's just bad design mathematically and from a systematic approach. Another important point to consider is that vehicles can actually vary depending on their specifications for this vehicle parking lot tracking manager system. For example, a vehicle can have a different license plate, different color, manufacturer, and model. Another example using limits would be that of a constant. And this right here is a great example of how you would only have a constant. Within this entire parking lot, we only have one truck. And that means that you would only have to work with a constant. Ultimately, this would mean you would have whatever n value possible for your correct answer. These concepts become even more important when you're working with an even larger data set. For example, one regarding an entire library parking lot requires a lot more information regarding, for example, where the parking spots are located, what time the vehicles arrived, and so on. As a result, what you need to do in order to account for this is use an infinite limit. Such configurations could be added over time, and we'll have to work with all sorts of data, and new types of data will need to be in play as each one iterates. That is why we have an infinite limit